Okay, so welcome back, guys. We're going to show you how to cover the attic flooring, and we are actually using an alternative flooring for this because we want to be able to lift it up and actually get to the tape that's up here for the electric in case something needs to be replaced or whatever. So we got some easy liner, smooth top. This was like $5 at Walmart, and it comes in different colors. So you can go ahead and get that if you want. And what we've done is we've marked out everywhere where we need to cut out. So for instance, this part here, you need to keep this right up in here. And then you need to eliminate this and this because it has to fit back in that hole back there. I'm not sure if you can see all the way back here, but there is an opening right here where it needs to go. So we have to eliminate this space and this space on the material. And if you want your material to go all the way up into the curtain, you need to go, or the window ledge, you need to go in 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch, however thick your window is, with that too. So we're going to go ahead and cut this out. And all we did when we did this was we measured from the inside of that window to the inside of this window, and then from here to here, and from here to the inside of that window. Then we took the measurement from inside of here and here, and we transferred all of those onto this. All right, so we're going to cut that out, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now I have it laying flat. So in order to take this into this window, I need to lay it in there and have it exactly where I want it. And now I need to mark where this is going to be. All right, and then I want to cut that out. Okay, so here it is. Now we've notched out that little section for the window. So when it goes in there now, it should fit.
What's that pulling up over there?
Let's just tape. All right, so now I need to straighten all this out. Get exactly where I need to go. And now that fits down in my window ledge, okay? So now that I have that exactly where I need it, I need to mark where my side windows are going to be.
It comes down in here.
So it'll lay down inside there. All right? Okay, so once you have all the windows cut and it fits, then you want to fold that and then mark it so you know that it's going to be even with your edge, and then cut it. Okay, so here's what it looks like when it's all finished.
The carpet.
And again, this is just those shelf linings. Here it is in brown. It's the easy liner, smooth top. Now, I'll try to give you a close-up of it with this. It does have like some little lines in it a little bit. But you could flip it over and you can use that side for the back if you wanted to, or you can keep it on that side for the white. I mean the colored. But I think it kind of reminds me of a garage door or a garage floor or like a vet floor. And I just thought it would be really easy to do because of having access to that wiring. And it's great for an attic. By the time I get done in there, I'll put some boxes and stuff and it'll be pretty cool. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow dollhousetutorials.com. Like and subscribe below. Leave a question, suggestion, or comment. And if you have anything that you're interested in or have any questions or anything pertaining to something that you're doing, leave it below. All right, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and we'll see you next time. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.